Welcome back to my channel. We are underneath the hood of a 2015 Jeep Renegade. We're going to be throwing in some front struts. Kind of a pain to get to, just because you got to remove everything up top because there's no way to access them without removing the wiper arms and this cowl and everything like that. But it's a fairly simple job. Just you got to do some pre-disassembling of everything. You can take off these rubber caps. If you're new to this channel, feel free to like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. For those who are subscribed, I love every single one of you. And yeah, hope you guys had a great new year. Let's dive right into this. So it says it's a 17. We'll see. Let me get a small extension. We'll go 3-inch extension. It's a nut and washer. With any luck, it's pop right off. That doesn't shock me that that didn't come off. But we have these little guys. I'll leave a link in the description about everything. So you just pinch the side, and hopefully they give you enough room to lock it in over the wiper arm with this tons and tons of plastic in the way. Oh, gotta get it underneath the plastic there. Further. Okay, it's just like that. I'll angle it like so. All right. There goes nothing. There we go. It pops that fast. And that's the arm right there. Those things are a lifesaver. Do the same for the other side. Back it all the way out. Let's give it a couple tugs. Nope. I don't know what that is. I've seen a couple videos where those they just, oh yeah, pull up on the wiper arm and it comes right off. I have never had that done. I've done this probably 50 something times, 60 times, and that has never happened once. So good for you guys who can make that happen. You just pull them right off. Maybe I gotta start working out or something, I don't know. But I can't do that because I'm constantly making videos for you guys, saving you guys tons of money. So if you're doing this job, I'm saving you a ton of money, please go down to my store, buy some gear, or just simply hit that like button. Oh, this one's, wow. Just bragging about this tool and now it's not working. This one is on there. Wow. Yeah, this one's on there, guys. Fortunately, there's not flat surface on this entire car, so. There we go. Wow, all right, see what I'm saying? We are a little over 6 minutes into the start of this video, and I am just now getting the wiper blade off. Ah, but it's off. Now before you make this huge mistake, take your washers and nuts and just put them back on there. Because if you're working on this car, it is a Fiat. I know it says Jeep for some reason. I don't know what they were thinking, but you're definitely going to want to just pop your caps back on. Just because I can't imagine it's easy finding parts for this thing. I know I had a hard time finding struts for this thing without going through Mopar parts itself, which were absolutely incredibly expensive. I think they wanted like $300 and something just for the strut without the whole build-up. So I went a different route and I found something else. So next we're just going to remove the 1, 2, I just see 3 of them. I'm sure there's a rubber seal. Yeah, okay, there's a rubber seal and those 3 push pins, and we'll get those out. You got 1 extra push pin over here. This one just goes into the frame of the vehicle. So you're gonna need an E14. Let's see if the Milwaukee has enough power. Which it does. Why even doubt it? Not a sponsor, by the way. These are an absolute must-have if you're gonna work on a vehicle. Oh, yeah, but doesn't have quite enough beans yet. That's not the fuel. Oh, that's a fantastic design. Look at that. We'll see why that's not spinning out here in a second. Alright, just done filming because I had to drill this out. I'm sorry, cut this out, not drill this out. So essentially I'm just trying to break off the rest of what's on top of here. Which is very close. But because of where it's at, it's really hard to get down there. There. It's gone. There you have it. That's the top part of it. Again, it's not the proper way to do it, but again, it was just the nut on under there was completely rounded and rusted, so that's what we're gonna do. Time to go work on the bottom. ABS sensor, we'll go ahead and get that undone. You know, we might just do it over here too. We'll see. We'll see how that goes. This seems to be on another stupid spring. I don't know why, but okay. Let's get rid of that. Oh, I gotta let's pull out the brake line. I see why no one filmed the driver's side. That's becoming very apparent to me that it was not going to be easy. So here's the bottom part of that nut. Okay, throw my grommets in here. This side of the strut is 16 millimeter. Well, hopefully the other side's an E-Torx. We'll just hope we don't have to lock in, but if we do, I'll let you know what that is. Nope, didn't have to. Awesome. Come on, 2 for 2. Great. I believe that's an E18. I'm not sure. So the last thing to do is get this top part of the sway bar link off, and then the strut will be free. So essentially I just cooked it off camera. Hopefully I can spin it off. Oh, well, yeah. So far so good. Oh, there we go. Just started spinning. Crap. All right. Well, since that didn't work, we're going with the T30. You gotta have a Torx bit. I know all these weird tools, but that's what you get for buying a Fiat. I was using the jack to support the lower control arm, but I don't need that anymore. All right, so what I'm gonna do next, just to give you some extra wiggle room, is remove this tie rod. It's a 17 millimeter. There we go. Now with that gone, I can get some more wiggle room. Oh, and there it falls out. All right, so now I can see what happened. All right, so this is not funny, but it is. So it's built in to the top of the strut, which it is, the screw. This one, it just got so rusted out, it fell off. See, if you look down here, there it is connected to the top. All right, so let's get the other one put back in there. So I had the top end started. Now, this looks too narrow. Let's go ahead and get this lower control arm up higher so we can match it up anyways.